everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful kite earrings for the Sankranti special. So let's get started. So this we need some felt papers. Here I'm using the orange, green and red purple colors. Paper cutter, pen markers, ruler, pencil, scissor, glue, some embroidery threads, googly eyes and earring hooks, half cut pearl and jump ring. So let's get started. Firstly, here I am drawing 4 by 4 cm square and I am cutting it with the help of paper cutter like this. Here I am making the titles. Now I am making the lines and cut them out to give it a perfect kite shape. Here I am using the red felt paper first. Here I am applying the glue like this on the one side corner and also paste the corner side of the felt to give it a neat and clean outcome. Cutting the excess part like this. Follow the same process with the other colors, purple, green and orange. Here it's done with all 4 colors. Now I'm using the black pen and coloring the paper with black and cutting out the 2 mm strips for sticking on the diagonals of my kite like this. Cut the excess part and here it's done. Using half cut pearl in the between like this with the help of glue and also the googly eyes. Here I am inserting the jump ring in the earring hook and here it's done. Shape on the white paper and cut it out and stick it with the glue on the back side of earrings for the finishing look. It's done, let it dry for some time. Take white paper and cut approx 3 mm strip. Into 2 equal parts like this. Now fold that half, take the jump ring, the earring hook one jump ring and insert it in the jump ring and apply the glue little and stick it with the jump ring like this. Let it dry. Now I am taking the embroidery threads. First I am using the blue color. I cut the approx 20 cm thread. Now I am separating the 3 groups to each and now I am wrapping the one thread, one group of 2 wrapping around my 3 fingers like this. I'll do the same with other colors and other groups like this. The pink color thread and also I'll do the same with yellow thread. Here it is. The old threads, take the jump ring, take it out and take the jump ring first, the empty jump ring, open it and insert all the thread in it. Lock the jump ring. Here I am making the tassel. Now wrap the green thread like this around this and secure the end using glue. Cut the bottom part like this take the comb, do like this for the finishing look, cut the excess part, and here it's done. Now take that white strip which we do earlier with the earring hook jumping, excess part of the white paper. Now I am sticking it on the back side of our earring, the tassel on the downside and upside the earring hook. Now I am adding some details like smiley and the tongue on our kite with the normal pen, and it's done. So my project is done for today. Hope you like my video, enjoy my video. See you, bye bye in the next video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.